How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be doing Kegel workout. Make sure you guys follow along at home if you want to see the benefits. The exercise that I'm going to do is very easy to perform. Anyone can do it, and you will see the benefits right away from doing it. So we're gonna do a little bit of a workout. We're gonna do the exercise, and then we're gonna do 1 minute rest period. So the exercise that I choose, I don't know if it's been named yet, but what we're going to do, I'm pretty sure it's called the Clam or something like that. So all we're gonna do is we're going to get on our side like so, and then all we're going to do, my friends, is just simply lift up like this. So we're on our side, and then we kind of turn our hips like this. That's all we're doing. So you see what I'm doing? And then you twist at the top. So you're down here, then you twist your hip. Pick one side. We're only gonna do 5 repetitions. Do that. I guarantee you, you will see results doing this. So again, I'll show you again. All we're doing is we're doing this. We're just opening up our hips. That's all we're doing. You will see a huge, huge benefit for your Kegel muscles by doing this. 1 minute rest periods. 30 seconds has gone by, we'll do another 30 seconds, then we will get back to it. I recommend anywhere from 5 to 10 repetitions. In this video, we'll do 5 repetitions. But yeah, another day has went by that I've done 2 videos. So I'm pretty happy, my friends. I'm gonna keep up with the upload schedule, and yeah, might go to 3. I'd like to do 2 workouts, then 1 informational. I find that's like good, but not that much time right now. So we'll do it again. Lie on your side, and then again, all we're doing is opening up our hip. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are other ways to do this exercise, but this is the version or the variation that I feel hits the Kegels the most. Again, all you're doing is opening up your hips. Very easy, anyone can do it. The side that you're sitting on doesn't matter. I've just chosen my left side to sit on my left side. You can choose your left side or your right side, or you can do both. Maybe one set you do your left side, the other set you do your right side. You can do whatever you want, mix it up. I'm just choosing this side because it's just a random side that I picked. So that's why I'm doing this side. So we'll do it again. This position, opening up like so. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, there might be different ways of doing this exercise, but this is the way that hits the Kegels the best for me, and probably for you as well. But yeah, I'm thinking about doing, I would like to do 2 workout, 1 informational. That would be sweet. So far, pretty busy, so I don't know. The 2 workout though is very good. I love doing that. Whew, my feet are pretty banged up. Okay, we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It feels so good in the Kegel muscles, like to actually work them. So many benefits for working your Kegel muscles. If you are a guy, like one of the best benefits, I know other people will have different reasons why they want to do Kegels. The number one reason, I won't say why, but a lot of guys do it for a certain reason. But for me, what was a good reason was bladder. Like if you have a weak bladder, doing Kegels will strengthen your bladder. If you can only hold your pee for a couple hours before you have to go to the bathroom, doing Kegels can allow you to hold it 3, 4, maybe even 5 hours. But it will help strengthen your bladder. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the reason why I like it. It helped strengthen my bladder personally, and that's just an awesome, they're awesome to do. There's other health benefits too for doing Kegels. And a lot of my subscribers love these videos. I've made a few Kegel workouts and all of them do really well. So popularity wise, they do very well. My subscribers love them. So I'm just gonna keep making them, different exercises. It's like the ab exercises. If you watch my channel, I do the ab workouts. Sometimes we might do the same Kegel workout, but it'll be a little bit different. It might be the same exercise, but we might switch up the reps or the sets or the rest periods. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have quite a few uploads on my channel too. Videos I'm closing in on 2,400 uploads. So that's quite a bit. There was one point where I was uploading like 20 vids a day. That, I shouldn't say that wasn't good because I've had a few videos that are doing quite well from doing that, but overall not as good as I thought it would be. That's why I went back down to 2, possibly 3, maybe 3. 3 is probably like the sweet spot in my opinion, maybe 4, but we will see. Okay, we will do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think I might make another video after this one too, maybe schedule it for tomorrow. I'd like to break my videos up so I do one in the morning and then one at night. It breaks it up as opposed to making 2 when I get home, uploading one at like 4 o'clock, then one at 10 o'clock. It only gives about 6 hours in between, so it'd be better make one in the morning, one at night. I make both of my videos at night and then I just schedule them to upload in the morning. Almost done the workout. Let's do another set. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Woo-hoo! Definitely feeling it. I found 10 minutes is probably the best time for doing it. The workouts, that's why I always kind of keep constant with 10 minutes. Even for my ab workouts too, I'll keep it about 10 minutes. I was thinking about doing forearm workouts too, because forearm workouts, people love. Oh, look who's coming in. Holy, I did not think she would make an appearance, but she is. If you guys didn't know, this is the mascot of the channel, Sparky. She's our mascot. Just a couple of weeks ago, I made it official. So the reason why is because she's in like all of the videos. So we'll do it, we'll finish it off. Last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, you guys. That is the end of the workout. I will talk just for like 20-30 seconds. Just for some weird reason, I like the video to be 10 minutes, so gotta make it 10 minutes. So before leaving you, I will say this. Just staring at me. These Kegel workouts, you will see results very quickly from doing these. They are simple, they are easy to do. Don't let that trick you. Everything doesn't have to be hard to get results. These exercises, very easy, very simple, but you will get results doing them. So don't be fooled if you feel like you didn't hit anything or it wasn't that much of a burn. It doesn't have to be a crazy burn. You don't have to be sweating profusely. You don't have to have a high intensity. Sometimes just doing easy basic exercises are the best way to hit your Kegels. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Comment below what you think about the Mascot.